everyone, how's it going? Oke, sekarang kita lanjut pembahasan ke Unit 6, Past Continuous I was doing, berdasarkan buku dari English Grammar in Use, 5th edition by Raymond Murphy. So without further ado, let's get started. Unit 6, Past Continuous I was doing. Oke, kita ke poin yang A. Study this example situation. Di situ ada gambar dua orang, yaitu satu orang laki-laki dan satu orang perempuan sedang bermain tenis di jam 10:30. Oke, kita ke kalimatnya. Yesterday, Karen and Joe played tennis. They started at 10 o'clock and finished at 11:30. So, at 10:30, they were playing tennis. They were playing means they were in the middle of playing. They had not finished. Was or were plus verb ing is the past continuous. Nah, di sini kita bisa lihat ciri atau rumus dari past continuous ini adalah was or were plus verb ing. Nah, untuk kita bisa mengetahui kalimat itu menggunakan was atau were, kita lihat dari subjeknya. Jika subjeknya I, he, she, it, maka kita menggunakan was. Tapi jika subjeknya we, you, they, maka kita menggunakan were. Oke, lanjut ke poin yang B. I was doing something means I was in the middle of doing it at a certain time. The action or situation started before this time, but had not finished. Bisa dilihat ya, di situ ada grafiknya. Di sebelah kanan ada now, yang artinya masa sekarang. Dan di sebelah kiri ada past, I started doing, dan past, I finished doing. Dan di tengah-tengahnya ada I was doing. Nah, disitulah letak dari past continuous. Jadi, past continuous ini menerangkan suatu kejadian yang sedang terjadi di masa lampau. Jadi, kejadian tersebut masih belum selesai. Oke? Contohnya, this time last year, I was living in Hong Kong. Jadi, dalam kalimat tersebut bisa dikronologikan, aku tinggal di Hong Kong sejak saat aku lahir sampai bulan Desember tahun 2023. Nah, pada Januari 2024 aku sudah pindah, aku sudah tidak tinggal di Hong Kong. So, sekarang bulan September tahun 2024, aku bisa mengatakan, this time last year, I was living in Hong Kong. Oke, langsung kita ke poin yang C. Compare I was doing past continuous and I did past simple. I was doing means in the middle of an action. Contohnya, we were walking home when I met Dan. Jadi, saat kita berjalan untuk ke rumah, disitulah aku bertemu dengan Dan. Kate was watching TV when we arrived. Nah, saat kita sampai, Kate ini sedang menonton TV. Kalau untuk yang past simple, I did, itu adalah complete action. Jadi, kejadiannya itu sudah selesai di masa lampau. Contoh, we walked home after the party last night. Ini menceritakan kalau kita pulang ke rumah setelah pesta itu selesai kemarin malam. Kate watched TV a lot when she was ill last year. Jadi tahun lalu, tahun kemarin, walaupun dia sedang sakit, tapi Kate ini masih sering menonton TV. Untuk poin yang D, you can say that something happened, past simple, in the middle of something else, past continuous. Past continuous bisa digabungkan dengan past tense atau past simple dalam satu kalimat. Contohnya, Matt phoned while we were having dinner. Untuk past simple ini adalah Matt phoned. Dan untuk yang past continuous di sini ada We were having dinner. Untuk yang while, ini berfungsi sebagai kata penghubung antara past simple dan past continuous. Jadi di sini kronologinya ketika kita sedang dinner, kita sedang makan malam, makannya belum selesai, terus tiba-tiba si Matt ini menelpon. It was raining when I got up. Di sini yang menjadi past continuous adalah it was raining. Dan yang menjadi past simple adalah I got up. Dan kata when ini berfungsi sebagai penghubung antara kalimat past continuous dan past simple. Jadi di sini kronologinya, waktu itu memang sedang hujan. Hujannya belum berhenti dan ketika itu aku bangun tidur. Jadi it was raining when I got up. Oke, poin yang terakhir, poin E. Some verbs, for example, now and want, are not normally used in continuous forms. Jadi, memang ada beberapa verb atau kata kerja yang tidak bisa dirubah menjadi verb ing. Biasanya, kata kerja atau verb ini berhubungan dengan pemikiran atau perasaan atau bisa juga pendapat. Contohnya ya seperti know dan want. Tapi masih banyak lagi ya, kalian bisa searching. Lalu bagaimana kita bisa menyusun sebuah kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris jika verb tersebut tidak bisa dirubah menjadi verb ing? Jawabannya, ya kita menggunakan past simple. Contohnya, we were good friends. We knew each other well. Not we were knowing. We knew each other well. Ini adalah past simple. Kenapa kita menggunakan past simple? Ya karena know tidak bisa dirubah menjadi verb ing. Contoh lagi, I was enjoying the party, but Chris wanted to go home. Chris wanted to go home ini adalah kalimat past simple. Mengapa tidak menggunakan past continuous? Karena want ini tidak bisa dirubah menjadi verb ing. Jadi kita menggunakan past simple. Oke, langsung saja kita ke exercises. Number 6.1. Complete the sentences. Jangan lupa ya, subjek harus diperhatikan. Jika subjeknya I, he, she, it, maka menggunakan was. Tapi jika subjeknya you, they, we, maka menggunakan were. Number 1. Today, Helen is wearing a skirt. Yesterday, she blank trousers. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu was wearing. Yesterday, she was wearing trousers. Number 2, what did he say? I don't know. I blank. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu wasn't listening. I don't know. I wasn't listening. Number 3, we blank at the back of the theater. We couldn't hear very well. Oke, jawaban yang tepat yaitu were sitting. We were sitting at the back of the theater. We couldn't hear very well. Number 4, this time last year, Steve blank on a farm. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu was working. This time last year, Steve was working on a farm. Number 5, they didn't see me. They blank in my direction. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu weren't looking. Number 6, the weather was bad. It was very cold and it blank. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu was snowing. Number 7, I saw you in your car. Where blank. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu alright, where are you going? I saw you in your car. Where were you going? Number 8, I saw Kate a few minutes ago. She blank for you. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu was looking for you. Next, number 6.2. Which goes with which? Number 1, when I got to the cafe. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu F. My friends were waiting for me. Number 2, we fall asleep. Kalimat selanjutnya yang tepat yaitu E. While we were watching a film. We fell asleep while we were watching a film. Number 3, Ami learned Italian. Kalimat selanjutnya yang tepat adalah A. When she was living in Rome. Ami learned Italian when she was living in Rome. Next, number 4, Tom didn't come out with us. Kalimat selanjutnya yang tepat yaitu G. Because he wasn't feeling well. Tom didn't come out with us because he wasn't feeling well. Number 5, the car began to make a strange noise. Kalimat selanjutnya yang tepat yaitu C. When I was driving home. The car began to make a strange noise when I was driving home. Number 6, the TV was on. Kalimat selanjutnya yang tepat yaitu D. But nobody was watching it. Number 7, yang terakhir, when I first met Jessica. Kalimat selanjutnya yang tepat yaitu B. She was working in a clothes shop. Lanjut number 6.3. Put the verb into the correct form, past continuous or past simple. Well, jadi kita harus menentukan ya, ini termasuk past continuous atau past simple. Jangan lupa ya, untuk verb, jika itu past continuous, maka kita harus merubahnya menjadi verb ing. Dan jika itu past simple, maka kita harus merubahnya menjadi verb to. I blank Sue in town yesterday, but she blank me. She blank the other way. I saw Sue in town yesterday, but she didn't see me. Kita tidak perlu merubah menjadi saw karena di sini ada not. Ingat ya, jika kalimat itu negatif, maka kita harus menambahkan did plus not, tapi untuk verb kita tetap menggunakan verb one. She blank the other way. She was looking the other way. Jadi, I saw Sue in town yesterday, but she didn't see me. She was looking the other way. Gambar yang nomor 2. I blank home yesterday. I blank home yesterday when a man blanked out into the road in front of me. I blanked quite fast, but luckily I blanked to stop in time, and I blanked him. Untuk yang pertama, jawaban yang tepat yaitu I was cycling home yesterday when a man stepped out into the road in front of me. Next, I was going quite fast, but luckily I managed to stop in time, and I didn't hit him. Next, number 6.4. Put the verb into the correct form, past continuous or past simple. Di sini kita juga harus menentukan ya, kalimat itu termasuk past continuous atau past simple. Jangan lupa untuk subjek tetap diperhatikan untuk menentukan was atau were. Number 1, Jenny blank for me when I blank. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu yes. Jenny was waiting for me when I arrived. Yang pertama menggunakan past continuous dan yang kedua menggunakan past simple. Number 2, what blank at this time yesterday? I was asleep. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu yes. Were you doing? What were you doing at this time yesterday? I was asleep. Number 3, blank out last night? No, I was too tired. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu okay. Did you go? Did you go out last night? No, I was too tired. Number 4. How fast blank when the accident blank? Jawaban yang tepat yaitu how fast were you driving when the accident happened? Number 5. Sam blank a picture of me while I blank. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu yes. Sam took a picture of me while I wasn't looking. Number 6. We were in a very difficult position. We blanked what to do, so we blanked nothing. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu okay. Yang pertama, we didn't know what to do, so we did nothing. Number 7, I haven't seen Alan for ages. When I last blanked him, he blanked to find a job. Oke, jawaban yang tepat yaitu yang pertama, when I last saw him, he was trying to find a job. Number 8, I blanked along the street when suddenly I blanked something behind me. Somebody blanked me. I was scared and I blanked to run. Oke, jawaban yang tepat yang pertama, I was walking along the street when I suddenly heard something behind me. Somebody was following me. I was scared and I started to run. Number 9. When I was young, I blanked to be a pilot. Later, I blanked my mind. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu okay. I wanted to be a pilot. Later, I changed my mind. Yang terakhir, number 10. Last night, I blanked a plate when I blanked the washing up. Fortunately, it blanked. Jawaban yang tepat yaitu yes. Last night, I dropped a plate when I was doing the washing up. Fortunately, it didn't break. Okay folks, that's all for today. Next week, kita akan lanjut pembahasan Unit 7. So, see you next time.